Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into an editing technique that will completely transform your videos and make your cuts invisible. I'm talking about hiding your cuts under camera movement. This is one of those pro-level tricks that once you master it, you'll wonder how you ever edited without it. It's all about creating a seamless, fluid experience for your viewer, making your edits feel less like abrupt changes and more like a continuous, single shot. Ready to make your edits buttery smooth? Let's get into it. So, what exactly does it mean to hide a cut under camera movement? At its core, it's about using the motion within your shots to disguise the transition from one clip to the next. Think about whip pans, tilts, pushes, pulls, or even the movement of a subject within the frame. By timing your cut to happen at the peak of this motion, you create a powerful illusion. The viewer's eye is so busy tracking the movement that the actual cut becomes virtually undetectable. Instead of a jarring jump, you get a slick, motivated transition that pulls your audience deeper into the story. Let's break down the most common technique, the whip pan. Imagine you have two separate shots. At the end of your first clip, you quickly pan the camera to the right. The image becomes a blur of motion. Now, at the beginning of your second clip, you start with a rapid pan from the left, which then settles on your new subject. The magic happens in the edit suite. You find the point in the first clip where the pan is at its fastest and most blurred. Then you find the corresponding point in the second clip where the motion blur is at its peak. You cut right there, joining the two blurs together. When played back, it looks like a single lightning-fast camera movement connecting two different scenes or subjects. But it's not just about side-to-side pans. This works with any kind of camera movement. Let's say you have a shot where the camera tilts up to the sky. You can cut that to another shot that starts by tilting down from the sky onto a new scene. The sky acts as a clean, consistent element that bridges the two shots. Another great example is a push-in or a zoom. As your camera pushes in towards an object, say a character's eye or a computer screen, you can cut to another shot that starts by pulling out from a similar object. The fast motion of the push and pull completely hides the edit. You can even use the movement of objects within the frame. A car driving past the lens, a person walking across the screen. If it creates a motion blur, you can use it to hide a cut. Now for the practical tips to make this work every time. First, you have to plan for it during shooting. When you're filming, consciously add these movements at the end of your takes. Do a few whip pans, tilts, and pushes, even if you're not sure you'll use them. Having these in your back pocket gives you so much creative freedom in the edit. Second, when you're in your editing software, use your arrow keys to go frame by frame. You need to find the exact frame where the motion is at its peak. Precision is everything. Sometimes you might need to speed ramp the ends of your clips slightly to make the motion faster and more seamless. Adding a subtle whoosh sound effect can also sell the transition and make it feel more intentional and impactful. Mastering this technique will elevate your editing from good to great. It creates a dynamic, high-energy pace and a professional polish that sets your work apart. It takes practice for sure, but once you start seeing your shots as opportunities for seamless transitions, a whole new world of creative editing opens up. That's all for today's deep dive. I hope this helps you make your edits invisible and your videos more engaging. If you found this useful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more editing tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments if you've ever used this technique or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.